It is a marathon committee meeting tonight at the state capitol where lawmakers are still debating what's known as the red flag bill.
Yeah, it would allow a judge to order the confiscation of someone's weapons in extreme cases. Dominic Garcia live at the Capitol tonight for us. And Dom, really a lot of emotional testimony on both sides of this issue.
Tearing, passionate testimony, and a lot of it. This started at 1:30 this afternoon, almost 9 hours later. This is still going on, and people are still lined up on both sides to speak both for and against this, but that's really no surprise considering just how big of an issue this is. The hearing went on for hours as committee members heard testimony from one person after the other. They rotated, those for.
I've never personally been through the terror of a shooting, but I will tell you that not a day goes by without some level of fear that today could be the day.
And those against a bill that would allow guns to be taken away if family or officers believe someone is a threat.
This bill is not about the right to keep and bear arms. It's a proposal to deny rights without a crime, without trial, without the due process of law, and without the presumption of innocence.
The bill allows family members, significant others, or law enforcement to ask a judge for an extreme risk protection order to confiscate a person's guns for up to a year if they're considered a significant risk to themselves or others. A gun owner would need to prove they're not a risk to get their guns back.
The judge has said an extreme risk protection order should be in place for 364 days. If the respondent wants to say, you know what, it shouldn't be in place for that long, then it's on the respondent to come forward and say I'm not a significant risk.
But opponents say this bill presumes people are guilty when it should be the other way around.
This bill allows preemptive punishment without requiring proof of guilt in a court of law. With that presumption of innocence thus removed, good citizens must live in fear of punishment or be made criminals by a law that ignores their rights.
Now, our political specialist Sean Boyd believes this will in fact pass, but then it goes to an appropriation committee, then on to the House floor and so on. No exact timetable for that, but of course we will continue to follow this. In Denver, Dominic Garcia covering Colorado First.